As the world moves toward a sustainable and renewable future, solar energy is becoming increasingly popular. One method that makes solar power more accessible for businesses and homeowners is the Solar Power Purchase Agreement, or PPA. Simply stated, the PPA is a contract between a solar energy provider and a customer. The provider installs and maintains solar panels on the customer's property, and the customer agrees to buy the electricity generated by the panels for a fixed period, typically 10 to 25 years. During the PPA period, the customer benefits from lower electricity costs since they are buying solar power at a fixed rate, which is typically lower than the market rate for electricity. Plus, they contribute to a cleaner environment by reducing their carbon footprint. At the end of the contract, the customer can choose to renew the PPA, buy the solar panels, or have them removed. However, most PPAs allow for an early termination of the agreement with a penalty for breaking the contract early. PPAs also help the solar provider by providing a guaranteed income stream, which enables them to finance the solar panel installations. Additionally, solar companies can take advantage of tax incentives that reduce the installation costs, allowing for a lower PPA rate. In conclusion, solar power purchase agreements allow customers to enjoy the benefits of using clean energy with no upfront costs. In turn, they also contribute to the growth of the renewable energy sector. We offer both PPA and purchase for your solar panels at yourenergychoices.com. Visit our website or call 954-549-5954 for a free no-obligation quote. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.